I'm here to show you how to simplify or streamline your table of contents. So here in my example content binder, and I've got my overview tab, which already gives the description of what my binder is about. And I'm clicking over here to my table of contents tab, which by default already includes a description of what my binder is about, the cover, and showing the author name and views. But if I just wanted to have the table of contents by itself as kind of a simplified version, there is a way to do that in your paid subscription option under settings. So let's go ahead and open up this binder in its edit in the editor. I'm clicking on this edit this binder icon here. And my binder loads, and now I want to go to settings. If you notice, the table of contents does not appear inside of your binder, and that is because we generate the table of contents from the player. So anytime that you update your binder, the table of contents will update for your viewers who are looking at your binder on the player side. But if you want to change the layout of your table of contents, you want to go to settings, and you want to go to layout. And down here, you want to choose the option Remove TOC Information Panel so that it's selected, and you hit Save. And if you want to see what that looks like without leaving the editor, you can hit the Preview button. And so now I'll put this full screen, I've got my overview here, and I can go to my table of contents, and it just shows the tab in the main position. The sub-tabs are the darker bullet points, and the base tabs are the circle bullet points. So everyone can see all the items inside your binder.